are baking! So honestly, we still don't even know what the hell we are gonna bake because nobody can make up their minds. I wanted cake pop, but they say it's too lame. Someone says it's too lame.
It is, she want to use the Oreo cookie.
What's wrong? I'm not a good baker and I know it. You guys can watch our other baking vlogs. Right now we are at Pun Huat. I'm on a hunt to find Oreo cookies. I can't find it. Some coloring. Which color should I go for? Kelly or Juniper?
Which one look more like Christmas tree?
This one, I guess. Okay.
What do you think is our success rate today?
50%.
Oh my god,
Because that's me, I'm a liability. I'm the liability. Okay, not y'all. Today we have a baking video, and what are we baking?
Oreo cupcakes.
Yeah, that is right. So who's the baker here? Not me for sure. Cheryl, I think. She keeps like howling to us.
I'm not howling.
Her birthday cake that she baked before was very nice. So
But that's a cake. Cupcake is different.
high hopes, huh? Okay. I think 2 people do frosting, 2 people do this. Okay. But you're leaving. Wait, you're leaving the cupcake to the both of us.
Yeah. You want me to do the cupcake? You cannot go wrong with this.
Okay, fine. Actually, we kind of cheated. We got the pre-mix. So the instruction says to mix everything with an electric mixer, speed 5, and for 4 to 5 minutes. That's very easy,
Oh,
right?
you read the water.
Huh?
That's very easy, right?
75 grams of water. Dude.
Oh my gosh! 75 grams. No! I already told you all I can't do it. You all still make me do it.
So we gotta crush this and then put it in.
Bend your anger.
This is what you'll do if mom bullies them.
No. We have decided to up our game. Chocolate chips. Wow! Is this fine?
Look like topping.
Okay. Can you not say that? I'm like full of like random batter on me. Oh gosh, is this batter?
Yeah.
It's like everywhere. Okay, so now we have to just assemble it. Everyone has a spoon. Maddie, where's the spoon?
Eh? You know why you spoon will be very ugly?
Why you spoon ugly?
Because the sides, you see, it will be very ugly like that. So the ice cream scoop.
Ah, that's tough.
Okay, you guys can do it.
Oh my god, my spoon!
Is it real Oreo?
Yeah,
Just
fake.
done. It's a fake one.
Yeah, it's red man brand.
Why you discriminate Red Man brand? It's Pun Huat brand.
How did y'all get it all over the sides? It's so funny.
Stop showing off. Shall I see how well I can do?
Yes.
Gotta look like it. Oh, she cut my finger. 25 to 30 minutes. 25 minutes, right? Should I put 22 minutes?
Check at the 15-minute mark. Because we add the Oreo inside, so I don't know how it will affect the mixture.
That is right. That's the difference between a true baker and an anyhow baker. Meanwhile, we're gonna clear up the area and work on our frosting.
We are sifting the icing sugar. Cause according to expert Cheryl, it will become more fluffier.
No lah! It will have the lump.
Oh yeah.
It will become more fluffy.
Don't laugh at noob people.
I'm just laughing at how she phrased it.
Okay, you take, I do this.
Okay, can.
Wow,
Wow, Dream
teamwork.
Team makes the
Makes a
dream work. No. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh, was it? Hey, please cut that out. Very uncool.
Oh, it's flying everywhere.
It's a workout.
Everything's a workout.
Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna put the green coloring right now into our frosting because we're gonna make Christmas trees. sweetness, everything.
What are we doing right now?
We are trying to check if the cupcakes is okay because it's supposed to be about 25 minutes, but we only put it for 20. Yeah, because of all the shit we added inside.
It looks like hot kueh.
Okay, Cheryl's gonna put in the second batch.
Take the ugliest one and let's try it. Oh my god, it's a biscuit.
It looks very crumbly.
Mmm!
It's good.
I like it.
Okay, that's good. Can you taste the Oreo? The chunks?
Yes, actually it's like very crispy on the outside. Like very hard, but actually inside is very, very like soft. You can see the moisture inside. Mamma mia. You think the inside is soft one?
Why hot?
Cheryl, how's it?
Not nice.
Really? Yeah, because you only took the top.
No, I took the inside. I didn't take the top.
Okay.
I like the top though. I
Yeah,
like the
I like
top.
the
Can I try the top?
Okay, second chance. How's it?
I don't like it, but you have to eat it.
It's not bad.
Man, how's it?
I think it's good.
See?
Really?
Okay, so try.
Okay, I have low expectations now. Yeah, it's dry.
It's dry. Oh man. It's okay. Maybe with the frosting it will not be dry.
Cheryl Shifu is gonna frost it.
I guess the best peak I can do, but it's like very ugly and it's like ice cream. It's like
So Mong, we have frosted the first cupcake and we want your honest opinion.
Not bad ah. I mean it's saying it like, but I would have done a worse job. It's not too bad. Good job, Cheryl.
Okay, Cheryl is attempting another pattern and design.
so ugly, just not the one. Chef Hazel. Oh.
So my goal is to beat Cheryl.
Cute.
Hey, not bad eh? Okay, your turn. Matt, your turn. Chef Matt.
Is he okay?
Sorry, cactus.
Alrighty.
What is that thing on top?
I tried to make it as high as possible, okay? Because they left me with no frosting, okay?
Just you have technically.
I don't want! They want me to take from this cup eh! Damn gross! But it's not bad, okay? I would have done it better. Okay, time to decorate! I'm gonna go with a yellow star at the top because I'm basic like that. And then I will go in with white stars at the side. Must throw inside one. Like that. It works!
This is the only one that's nice.
Maybe you can bring us through what is your inspiration and the name behind your dish.
Hi guys. The name behind my dish is called the Esplanade because it looks like the Esplanade and the silver balls represent the lights that will be around Marina Bay and Singapore River. My cupcake has 4 stars and it represents the team and they're all around because we each have a special skill, so it's spread around the cupcake.
Bullshit.
Dun, 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 dun. So as you can see, the name of my dish is called Less is Not More. And it's self-explanatory because
The whole packet of sprinkles fell onto it.
and that's all. Dun, 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 dun.
The name of my cupcake is called Starreal because this has Oreo inside and the tip of my cupcake has 4 stars. So the stars are the highlights. Okay? Yeah, so it's called Star Rail. Yay! That's so encouraging.
Hi everybody! Welcome to my MasterChef show. This is my creation. It's called Tree. And because it's a tree, even though our theme was actually to create Christmas tree cupcakes, but nobody in the team actually created a tree, so I think it's very self-explanatory that this is a tree, so yeah! I think I won!
Vote to kick Mongabong out.
No!
She shit everybody.
Anyway, this is called Basic Tree because it's as basic as it
You.
is. Yeah, as basic as me! So yeah, I have like a yellow star at the top and just Christmas balls around because it's really But anyway, yeah, vote for me, 投我一票，谢谢. Okay, essay. Which one you think is the nicest?
I think this one.
Yeah! And this is my cupcake. I won! Should I ask her which one is the ugliest? So essay, which one is the ugliest?
This.
And she pointed with her middle finger. Let's invite the loser out on stage.
It's okay. It's my first time.
Is it really your first time?
My first time.
Oh, see. Okay, it's not my first time lab, so yeah. It's okay. Hazel is actually our graphic designer. I think at the end of the day, we will doubt her work capabilities because of this.
You sure?
Okay, we had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas episode. We definitely had a lot of fun baking, and now we have like 20 cupcakes to eat by ourselves because I don't think we can give it to anybody.
I don't eat.
You better eat. Alright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.